heading to do this water shit on the back of a motorbike. I don't know how crazy it is today, but they said today gonna be the day where shit gonna be crazy. We gonna see. Headed to another. just making it to the 6th. And my boy ain't never been to the 6th.
I haven't been here yet. Hey, this live?
It's not live, I wish it was, but it's not live.
Go to the dangerous zone.
Go to the danger zone?
Yeah.
He said go to the danger zone.
I gotta get a refill though.
Yeah, they got water out here, it's like 10 baht. You can get water out here.
Go, go.
That nigga said go. He tried. Look at that shit there. That nigga said go to the danger zone. They gonna light your ass up, I'll tell you that much. We just gotta walk. We can get water. All these places got water. That water ice is 20 baht, but that shit down here is 10 baht.